Hi everyone. So let's start with models offered in LangChain. So LangChain offers three kind of models: LLMs, chat models, and then embedding models. So difference between all three that LLM takes text as input and gives text as output, and chat model takes complex structure called message as input and in message we can basically maintain history of human and AI conversation, and that acts as kind of memory, and based on that we can do conversation with chat models. It's basically enhanced form of LLM model. And then we have embedding. So embedding convert our text to vector form, which we will see later. Let's start with LLM model now. So models, and then in language models we have LLMs and then chat models. So LLM models are a model that takes string as input and return string as output, and chat models are backed by a language model but take list of chat messages uh, as input and also return chat messages output. LLMs and LLMs and chat models are subtly but importantly different. LLM in LangChain refers to pure text completion models. The APIs they wrap take string form as input and output a string completion. OpenAI's GPT-3 is implemented as LLM. Chat models are often backed by LLMs but tuned specifically for having conversation. So this model is this wrapper uses GPT-3, and if we go to list of models supported by OpenAI, then this text DaVinci here it shows as legacy, and LLM model supports this text DaVinci, and then chat model supports GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4 also, new models of chat GPT. Also GPT 3.5 till GPT 3.5 it's free, and it's not free, but you do not need to upgrade your plan. For GPT-4 you need to upgrade your plan. So yeah, this is main difference between LLM models and chat models. Now let's see what LLM is. So LLM stands for large language model, and language model are models which given the string of text, they try to predict next word in that text. So, for example, this is a screenshot from my phone, and here I gave four words. Then it's trying to predict the next word. So that's about language model. Now, large language models are also language model, but they are trained on a very big data set. That's why they have more capability than as compared to our language models. So now let's go and create our first LLM object here, and try use it for text completion. So first thing we need is we need to install LangChain. Make sure that interpreter is selected here. And apart from LangChain, we need OpenAI, PPNV, install LangChain and OpenAI. Once both are installed, we can see here, it's already installed for me. Now I will go and import. OS is not required for now. Here I will import from LangChain dot LLMs, import OpenAI. Now, uh, I can create instance as OpenAI, and by default, this OpenAI is expecting that we are exporting this OpenAI. We are making this OpenAI key available in our environment. So in last video, we saw how to set up OpenAI key in this .env file. So in my case, this OpenAI key is available. If you get any error, make sure that key is available in your case also. And apart from key, it accepts model name. So to get model name, I will hold CTRL and click on this OpenAI. And here we have example section. So we had already done import, and model name is Text DaVinci 3, which uses GPT-3 version. So I will paste it here as model name Text DaVinci, and then we have temperature as second argument. Temperature, so temperature can range from 0 to 1. It can be 0 0.1, 0 0.2 till 1. So 0 means there is scope of minimum creativity, and 1 means there is scope of maximum creativity for LLM, and for 1 there is chances of hallucination also. For 0, it will not be that much creative or not creative at all. 0.5 is balance between both. So I will keep 0.5. Now I can call this LLM to complete my text. Here I will use same text in whatever I was doing in my mobile. So Taj Mahal is in underscore, and then I will print response from LLM. Now I can run it. There is typo here. So it completed text as Agra, India. So Taj Mahal is in Agra, India. Now I can ask what is full form of AWS EC2. Okay, here it should be full form. So it gave EC2 stand for Elastic Compute Cloud, and more information about it. So as you can see, we are passing text as input to this LLM, and it's giving text, plain text as output. Now, right now we are passing this hard-coded text, hard-coded, we can say prompt. Now, what else we can do? If I go to models, then ChatGPT offers something called prompts, and these prompts are useful for creating dynamic prompts. Suppose each time you change input, in my case, I want a tool which gives me full form of anything. So what scenario is that now I have to pass each time, give me full form of this, give me full form of that. But with the help of prompt template, we can create dynamic template, and we need to just pass the input once. We need to create template once, and then we can pass any input in that template. So how to use these prompt templates, we will see in next video.